just so I can get an image of what it looks like before I take out the thingamajigs. Oh, it's gonna be so much cuter. Look how cute it is already. Like what? I'll figure this out. So I'm gonna replace these. I just went to Hobby Lobby and got different ones. And then I also got knobs for this, which is our new TV stand because Chris needed a bigger TV. So, let's do that now. Well, I can't get the knobs off, so this is how it'll stay, I guess. For now. We'll see. I'm bummed. Figured it out. I have these, and I used this thing, and I put it in there, and then a hammer. So I'm hoping that I don't damage the shit out of it, but currently I have it looking like this. Come on, camera. So, as long as I'm gentle with it, should be okay. Yes! Yeah! Oh my god! Yeah! You know, when you just put your mind to something, you can achieve all of your dreams, babe.
Yeah, I know.
Yep. How do I get this shit off now? Oh! Just screw it a little. Twist it. Okay. Please be cute. Please work just how I want it to. Please! I'm so excited. What do you think? Should it be vertical or horizontal? I'll see what it looks like with the other ones, but for now, I like this because it reminds me of Alice in Wonderland. Yeah. 1 down, 2 to go. And I'm not gonna mess it up. It's gonna look good. Okay, change of plans. This will not fit this. So, I'm probably gonna return this. getting some hail. Silly, what the hell